Everybody, today I'm going to do a tutorial on the SuperCube. So this is I think fourth tutorial on my channel, and I haven't been making the video in, I thought, like a week already, but it's technically because it's been quite busy. So let's get started. First off, what it is, well, of course you want to scramble it. But first off, you want to make like a super self class. No, attach to a SuperCube. Name it. So what you want to do is, if you look here, I have this example. If this were a regular cube, this would be solved. But it's not, because centers are not matching. So what I want to do is get off most of the edges until there's one left. Turn that at least not twice, like that or something. And then you twist the edge and then put that back, and then now you can probably see it's so faint, but you can see that they're matching. Okay, and then do that but you don't need to do that to the rest, because look, if I put this like orange edge, it's matching, but except this is not matching. So while we keep to that part, we already have the white and blue edge already finished fully, but kick out the white and orange edge, and then you want to turn the orange edge like that, and then now have the white and orange shelved, put it in the white side. So you want to do that till the rest are done. And then, okay. Next, you can do F2L or beginners, corners, and edges for this. But don't don't finish all the way as doing CFOP or beginner, because, actually no, yeah, you can do a beginner, but then last layer you might see something's wrong, but I'm just going to show you for that after this. Just going to do F2L. So what we're doing along, with the steps, is we're doing something like beginners all the way, but some more added features. So actually, okay, I'm just gonna finish off this. And then, if you're wondering why it turns so bad, it's because it's a Rubik's brand that is matted. So now we're done now. As you can see, if you fix this, you can ruin everything else. So don't. Just do beginners on this, and don't do CFOP, because some fancy algorithms will mess up the centers that we already done, like these ones, the ones that are here, and then you need to restart the whole thing. So yeah, what you need to do is do beginners, like I just said. Check out my beginners tutorial. I'm gonna put that in the link description down below, so you can find it. This is taking so long. Okay, but as you see, sometimes this will be rotated 180 degrees like I have, but sometimes it will be already solved. But if it's only turned 90 degrees, that means that you already have you have something that's bad on one of the other sides. So be careful for what you have. And here, for this case, To fix this case, you do M2U, 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 2U, M2U, 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 2U, M2U, M2U, 2U, M2U to fix it. Just do M2U tons and tons and tons of times. So, click the thumbs up if this was helpful or interesting, and definitely feel free to subscribe. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Happy cubing.